everyone, welcome back to my channel Remodel Hints with Mia, where I do all things DIY, home renovations, anything you can pick up a tool, I do it, okay? So if you like that type of stuff and would like to see more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. For today's video, I'm doing a coffee table flip. So you know, the last video I announced that I am starting to flip furniture for profit just to bring in an extra income. And this is my second flip so far. The first table has sold, so now I'm moving on to my second table. And I bought this coffee table for $40 off of Facebook Marketplace, and it had a few wear and tear. It had some stuff that needs to be filled in, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. Here is the lovely coffee table that we'll be doing in today's video. It looks good. You can see that the hole in the middle there needs to be patched, but I'm starting with cleaning it with some TSP. You know, you always need to clean your furniture no matter where you get it, where it's been at. You never know. So I'm just going to clean it down with some TSP and wipe it. I'm using an orbital sander to go ahead and sand it, and I'm using an 80 grit sandpaper because I wanted to make sure I got down to the bare wood. And then after this, I went in with I believe 220 just to smooth it out because I wasn't painting it. I was going to do a whitewash on this piece of furniture, so I needed it to be really smooth and bare. So right here, I am patching. I'm using some wood filler in the natural color, the natural wood color, to go ahead and patch this hole right here. So you can see it didn't look right. And I honestly don't know what this was before. So I'm just patching it and filling it in. I allowed it to dry, and then I gave it a good sanding after. So to get the fluted look on the table, I am using pine lattice, and I bought this from Home Depot, and I think I bought about 8 or 10 of them, just to get that look on the sides. And I just cut them down to the size of the table, and I'm going to attach it with a nail gun. So I'm gonna be quite honest with you all. I didn't measure the distance in between them. I just used my eye and said this looks good, and honestly you can't tell the difference. I am just spacing these pine lattice out on the side of the table, and then I'm going to use my nail gun to go ahead and secure it. At first I did try to use a liquid nails, but it just wasn't working. It was oozing out from the side, and that was going to be a lot of cleanup, and I wanted this look to look crisp and clean, so the nail gun was just a little bit easier for me. I do have an air compressor hooked up to that, so I just eventually went in and filled those nail holes in with some more wood filler and sanded that down. Here is my favorite part of this makeover. I am whitewashing this table, and how I got the how I mixed my paint with my water. So this is the ratio I use. I use about 1/4 paint and 3/4 water. So I mean, I literally put a little bit of paint in there, and I filled the cup up with water, and I really watered it down. So you can see how I'm applying it, but the wood literally absorbs this mixture in. So just get it to your liking, and I'm using the color Simple White by Valspar. It wasn't a furniture paint, it was just a simple paint, and it looks good. Now I did secure it with a polyurethane to make sure that it can withhold drinks and just everyday life, you know. So yeah. here is the finished outcome. I am in love with this table. Look how good it looks. I will update you all on how much I sold it for, but until then, bye. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I really love it. This by far has been my favorite flip so far, and I mean, I've only done 2, but I think it's gonna be pretty hard to beat in the future for this one. I think it looks so good. It looks like it was custom built, and I'm excited for it to find its next home. I would keep it myself, but it does not go with how I have the home. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Tell me what you like and what you would like to see from my channel in the future. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.